Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Avalanche, AVAX, tokens from MetaMask to Bitrue for better trading options or staking. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through this step by step in a simple, secure way. By the end of this video, you'll be sending AVAX like a pro. First, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need a MetaMask wallet installed on your browser, some AVAX in it, and a verified Bitrue account. If you haven't added the Avalanche network to MetaMask yet, go to the network settings and add it manually. You'll need the network details like RPC URL and chain ID. I'll link them in the description. Step 1. Open your MetaMask extension and ensure it's switched to the Avalanche C-chain network. This is crucial because AVAX transactions won't work on the wrong network. Step 2. Log into your Bitrue account on their website or app. Navigate to your wallet section, select Avalanche, AVAX, and generate or copy your deposit address. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto is irreversible. Step 3. Back in MetaMask, click on the AVAX asset in your wallet. Hit the Send button. Paste the Bitrue deposit address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember to account for gas fees, which can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Step 4. Review the transaction details carefully. Make sure the network is correct, the address matches, and you're sending the right amount. Once you're confident, click Confirm and approve the transaction with your wallet password or biometric if enabled. Step 5. Wait for the transaction to confirm on the blockchain. This usually takes a minute or two, but keep an eye on it using a block explorer like Avalanche's official one. Once it's done, check your Bitrue wallet to see your AVAX arrive. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and be wary of phishing sites. Crypto fees might fluctuate, so plan accordingly. There you have it. That's how to send Avalanche from MetaMask to Bitrue in 2025. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.